Hello, this is Neha from Sum and Substance, and thank you very much for stopping by to watch video on reporting that health industry. Whether you be a dentist or specialist or GP, what are the reports that you should be looking at on a regular basis? So before we get started, my name is Neha. I run a small bookkeeping training and visual CFO business called Sum and Substance. The main passion of my business is to help business owners understand their financial statements. They should be able to look at the financial reports and understand the financial story straight away. We do help clients with their systems so they can save time and do best on what they can do best, rather than spending time on systems and financials. It's probably not much fun for the doctors, but being other than being a doctor, you all are business owners as well. So it is important and really helpful for you all as business owners to actually know how your business is running financially. I want to share my Xero. So assuming that you all are using Xero, what can you do? So there are a few things that are important to be done on a daily basis. Now you can access all of this on the mobile app of Xero as well, and some on monthly or quarterly basis. So this is something that I would do on an ongoing basis. So just having a quick look on cash in and cash out, which is kind of good to know. So I'll always question, all right, in July we had 42 in, 38 go out. You can also drill down into detail as well. So you click in there and you actually see where the money is coming in, going out, what's going on. The good thing also is for you to actually edit the dashboard, and if you need help, we can help you with that. But there's a little edit dashboard right down the bottom, and you can actually change what matters to you more that you want on the top. So bank reconciliation, if for all the bookkeepers, it's important that it stays on the top, but I want to have my cash in and cash out here. And I also want to have my account watch list here, so I can change things. Now these two are important for me as well, because depending on how much cash I expect from my clients, I've got bills to pay as well. So those sort of things really help. A quick snapshot give me a good story. However, on a regular basis, say monthly, quarterly, what we recommend is having some kind of report templates ready, so you don't actually go through one or two reports. So you can actually have some reports that are ready for you in a template. So we've got some report. I'll just give you an example of a management report here, but this is already preset. Once it's published in your file, you will be able to use that and reuse that and edit it as well. So this report has executive summary, profit and loss, balance sheet, cash flow, receivables, payables, account transactions. If you want to add a report that is outside Xero, you can always start selecting blank report, and then you can go edit layout, and then you can add information there. So you can go text, none, and say if I want information from a spreadsheet, I can pretty much copy and paste here. So this is the information I wanted. And again, if you want your number of patients comparison here from, say, Genie or whatever medical system you're using, you can put the information here. I'll just write here. What this gives you is a consistency of reports for yourself, or if you're a practice manager for your for the management team, it is important that there's consistency, and it is good presentation as well. So you can have profit and loss. Again, there could be comparison. You could do quarterly, monthly, whatever you like. You can change your periods there. Balance sheet is a very important document just to see what the equity is in the business, And if there's multiple partners, it's important that you divide that equity as well. Cash flow, where the money is coming from and where the money is going. But this is more historical than forecasting. We'll talk about the forecasting one as well. Again, and then there's receivables, which is not going to be much important for a health industry. But if you have renters or, something like that, you would need that. And aged payables, where you pay bills to. Account transaction is the detail of all the transactions. You really don't need it. Like high level management paper would probably don't need it, so you can edit it and you go, okay, I don't need it. You can decide to delete it. Cool. And then you have your last report. You can then export this into PDF and email it to the client and email it to yourself, look at it for yourself. So whatever way you want it. And, so it's all there. So let me quickly show you. You can add branding and stuff, like you can do all of that if you wanted to. Let me quickly show you how it looks like. So you have your report ready here. Again, this one, because we didn't publish it, so it doesn't come with branding, but it does, it can have beautiful branding as well of your colors and stuff. But the important thing is you can add your analysis on your executive summary here. You can add some main points, like the staffing is going well, but we need another staff member to get the workforce, so to get the work done in time. Those sort of things would be good for you to add on to that report. So all the best for running your amazing medical business. But if you need any help in what we talked about, if you want us to help you set this up for you, feel free to contact us through the Calendly link on the email. So thank you very much, and we'll keep sharing our videos on and do some knowledge sharing with you all. Until then, thank you very much. Appreciate your time. See ya.